Hi friends, this is Wendy with LUVIN Stampin', and I am so excited that you're here today. So I wanted to show you how to get around in the vault once you are subscribed. Now, if you're not subscribed, you could come to this page, lovinstampin.teachable.com, and lovinstampinvault.teachable.com, and you click Browse All Products, and the LUVIN Stampin' Vault membership would come up. You click that, and then you just get to select which one you want. If you want the $14.95 a month version, which is the Creative Vault and the Starter Vault, or if you just want the Starter Vault, which is $4.95 a month. So in the Starter Vault, you only get 2 live events a month with me and my sister. That's it. There is nothing else in that area. If you want the Creative Vault, that's where you get all my classes, guest contributors, the live. You get the same thing that you get in the Starter Vault, but you get all the extra stuff too. So you can also toggle between monthly and yearly. So if you were to click yearly, you can just pay one bill for the whole month, or for the whole year, and you save a little bit of money. Or you can toggle to monthly and have a monthly subscription, whichever one works. Then you're going to click, okay, so let's say you already belong to the vault and you want to get in it. So again, you're just going to go to lovinstampinvault.teachable.com. You're then going to click login, and we're going to let this do its thing here. Come on. Just waiting for it to load. It might be a little confused because I do have it open in another page, and it might be trying to figure out why I'm trying to log in when I'm already logged in somewhere else. Or my internet maybe. Oh, there we go. Okay. So here I'm just going to, you're going to enter your email and your password that you signed up for the vault with. If you don't remember your password or your email, you just click forgot password and it'll send you a new link and stuff you can sign up. You're going to click login, and then you're going to see the Creative Vault. Okay, if you're signed up for the vault. If you're only signed up for the Starter Vault, that's what you'll see. So here, I'm just going to click the Creative Vault, and it brings me into the vault. And you can click here to start lesson, like if that's the next one available and you want to start it, or you can go click start on any of these. So the cool thing about the vault is there are months and months and months worth of beautiful videos, classes, things like that. And right here you can see there's a mega fun fold class coming in February of 2024. So for those that are already signed up for the Creative Vault, they can actually watch these first 3 here, or read them and watch them, because not all of them have a video, and get an idea of what it's going to be like. Then there's archives. These are just older classes that I've done that, let's just go into one. So we'll go into the Irresistible Blossoms class, or Blooms class. So here you can see that there's every video here, plus there is a project sheet. Now, most of my PDFs don't look like this, but these I did in a little bit of a different way. So let's go into a different class. So this is just great because I'm just being able to show you around. So we'll click the little home button right here. That takes me right back to this page, and it should, okay, so let's go to my 2023 summer paper party. Click start. Now over here on the left side, you're gonna see there's all the classes. So instead of going home, you could just click in here too. But here's what our PDFs look like. And you can just scroll through and look at them all. You can also click right here and download the PDF. And when you do that, it looks like this. Oh, well, it's gonna download it to my computer. And then all the videos are here. Isn't that cool? So then if I were to scroll all the way to the bottom, here I have comments people left me. I can click complete and continue, and it's gonna take me into the very next class. In this one, I happen to have just a couple of videos here for you. Complete and continue. This is the spring paper party. So you get access to this when you join the Creative Vault. You have access to all this older stuff. So like this one, for example, this little gnome card is super cute. You could totally recreate this with any of the designer series papers you currently have or dies that you currently have. You just switch it up a little bit, right? So that is the really cool thing about the Creative Vault, is that you get access to a lot of old stuff that you can just go back and change up. And then of course there's videos. Video. So if you're looking for hours of footage of things to watch, this is the place for you. And then like here we have a March Fun Fold class, and I've got all of the beautiful PDF here along with videos so that you know how to create these. And again, you just complete and continue. So that is how you get around the vault. Now, if you need to go into your settings, you can do auto completes, autoplay. You can, like I said, go back home, and this gives you a place to like look at everything in one felt swoop right here. So I hope that helps you. One, if you're already in the Creative Vault, I hope that helps you understand how to navigate it a little better. This was a request from somebody in the vault. Two, I hope that if you haven't joined the vault yet, that maybe this would help you make your decision to join us in the Creative Vault. It is $14.95 a month, and you can see the value is incredible. So every single month we are releasing live videos, 3D fun fold classes, memory keeping classes, coloring, or starting in January of 2024, we're going to have guest. So Kelly Taylor is an incredible Copic coloring artist, but Kelly has expanded her wings into illustrating stamp sets for companies. So she's just too busy, unfortunately, to fit us in our schedule anymore. But we have February through November of 2023 classes from her, which to me is its own little special like treat in and of itself. So she did some amazing work for us, and she will be back as a guest in 2024. She just won't be here monthly, but we are going to have monthly guests doing other fun things. And then, as I said, that mega fun fold class is coming in February 2024. Now, if you don't want to subscribe, but you want to get that mega fun fold class, don't you worry, we have you covered. I'm going to go ahead and let people purchase that separately. It will all be here stored on Teachable though. So it's a great way for you to know what's happening with this site so that you know how to navigate it, even if you don't join the vault, because I am going to have classes here through 2024 released. Okay, I hope that helps everybody. And then you can go up here and look at your memberships and subscriptions, add, change credit card info, address, contact, log out, edit your profile, all of those kinds of things. All right, so I hope that helped. I hope you join the Creative Vault if you haven't already. And if you are in it, I hope this helped you figure out how to navigate it a little better. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.